Are you in your 30s, 40s, or over 50 and struggling to stay fit? It's never too late nor too early to start. Don't let age hold you back. It's a music expression, and we're here to inspire graceful aging through healthy living. In today's video, we will share with you 5 simple exercises you can do to keep your body strong for a lifetime. So before that, would you please give us a like and hit the subscription button? And please do not forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified whenever we drop new videos like this. So let's dive in and have some fun. First up, we have the push-ups. They're like giving your upper body a high five. Start on your knees if needed and see how many you can do. Remember, it's all about progress, so challenge yourself to do a little more each time. So tell me, how are push-ups treating you? Share your thoughts with us in the comment section below. Now let's talk about squats. They're like sitting on an invisible chair. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Squat down and imagine you're waiting for a magician to pull out a chair behind you. Slowly rise back up and repeat. How long can you go? Feel free to share in the comment section below. Wow, the plank. It's a supercharged version of the freeze game. You will get down on your elbows and toes, keeping your body in a straight line. Time yourself and see how long you can hold that perfect plank pose. Aim for 1 minute straight, or you can split in 30 seconds. If you want to know more about planking and its amazing benefits, we have a full video on that. Check it out here. Okay, so the next will be the lunges. They're like playing a graceful game of follow the leader with your legs. Step forward with one foot, bend your back knee, and then rise back up. Switch to the other leg and repeat. Do you have any experiences on lunges? Please share with us. We would love to hear from you. Last but not the least is the stretching. It's like giving your body a big cozy hug. Remember to always stretch before and after your workout to keep those muscles happy and flexible. Do you have any favorite stretch or funny stretching mishaps? Feel free to share with us. And thank you for joining us on this fitness adventure. We hope this exercise brings you closer to a healthier lifestyle. But wait, there's more. I know it sounds like too much for a start. Don't worry, we have an even easier guide and blueprint to kickstart your healthy journey. Make sure to check out the link we have dropped in the video description below and also on our bio. That will be the simplest guide to starting a healthy lifestyle with ease. It's your ultimate roadmap to success. Remember, taking care of your health is a lifelong journey, and you're already on the right path. Stay committed, stay positive, and let's conquer those fitness goals together. Don't hesitate to leave your comments, questions, or personal experiences in the comment section. We will love to hear from you. Now, go check out that video description and let this healthy lifestyle transformation begin. Wishing you all the best on your journey to a healthy and fulfilling life. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget. Thank you. Bye.